Hello student of grade 11 applied maths. We'll do basic of financial mathematics. The topic is simple interest, exercise 12.3. So before we start the exercise, let us know the formula you have done before also when you were in class 6, 7, 8. Simple interest I formula is P and R by 100. P stands for principal amount, the amount of money you deposit in the bank or you lend someone. N is the number of years or time period. It can be in the month, in the form of month, days, anything. R is rate of interest, at what rate your money is growing. A means the amount you are going to get back. So this is the formula of interest. I equal to P and R by 100. Amount formula is P plus I, or we can also say P plus this is one formula amount, or we can use this also. How we're getting this is, in place of I, we're putting the value P and R by 100 and taking P common. So this is also one formula, or we can use this also. P equal to A equal to P bracket 1 plus Ni. I means R by 100. So most probably we'll be using this two only. If you want to find principal interest is given, then I into 100 by NR. If you want to find N, I into 100 by PR. If you want to find R, I into 100 by Pn. So based on this formula, we're going to do all this exercise 12.3. So note down the formula before we start the exercise. Question number 1. Find the simple interest and the amount. Find the simple interest and amount on rupees 5,000. So principal is given as rupees 5,000 for 8 months. N is 8 months. We have to convert into year. So 8 by, in 1 year there are 12 months. 4, 2, 4, 3. So we are getting 2 by 3 years. And the interest rate is given as 3%. So whatever is given is written. Now find interest. P and R by 100 is the formula. Put the value. 5,000 into N is 2 by 3 into R is 3. By 100 you have to write, so by 100. Since it's given 2 by 3, 3 will come in the denominator. And 100 is already there in the formula, so we're putting 100. Cancel 0, 0. 3, 3 can cancel. So interest you are getting as rupees 100. 15 to 2 is 100. So find the amount now. Amount is P plus I. Put the value. P is 5,000 plus I is 100. So you're getting an amount of 5,100 after 8 months. Clear? Let's do question number 2. What sum of money invested at 5% per annum, simple interest, will amount to rupees 2,500 in 10 months? So amount is given as rupees 2,500. N is 10 months. Convert into year. 10 by 12. 2, 5, 2, 6. So 5 by 6 years. And the rate is 5%. And the amount is given, use amount formula, this one. P bracket 1 plus NR by 100. So in this way we can get P easily. Amount is 2,500. P we don't know. Here 1 plus N is how much? N is 5 by 6. 5 by 6, downside 100 is there. And R is 5. Whatever you can cancel it. 5, 20, 5, 4. So you are getting 1 plus 1 by 24. 6, 4 is 24. Okay. Take the LCM. LCM is 24. Cross multiply. 24 plus 1. This will be 25 by 24. If you cross multiply, 25p will be equal to 2500 into 24. So p will be 2500 into 24. This 25 comes down. 25 one time. So principal is 2400. So we got the principal. They are also asking to find the simple interest. So interest will be, if you know A, if you know P, we can do A minus P also. A is 2500 and P is 2400. That means 100 rupees interest. Yeah, if you know A and P, we can find the interest by subtracting. Okay, let's do question number 3. You can write the question also. At what rate percent per annum of simple interest of rupees 8,000, principal is given as rupees 8,000, will amount to rupees 10,000. Amount is given as rupees 10,000 in 5 years. N is 5 years, and you're going to find rate, question mark. So first find interest. A minus P is the interest. That means 10,000 minus 8,000. Interest is 2,000. Now use this formula to find R. To find R, we can write I into 100 by Pn. This formula derived from this only. Okay, I into 100 by Pn. Or you just can use I formula, and if you can't remember the formula, you can use I formula and do. Okay, R is I into 100 by Pn. Put the value. I is 2000 into 100 by P is 8000. N is, sorry, your question in 5 years. N is 5. Now cancel it. 3 zeros. 3 zeros cancel. 2 4 5 20 times 4 5 times. So our interest is 5%. Okay, that's the question number 4. In what time, now you are going to find time, will rupees 4,000, principal is rupees 4,000, earn an interest of rupees 700, or rupees 700, and the rate is given as 31 by 2%. So convert it into improper. 2367, 7 by 2%, and you're going to find at what time N. So direct use N formula. I into 100 by PR. I is 4,000 into 100 by P is, sorry, I is 700. Okay, 700 into 100 by P is 4,000 into R is 7 by 2. You can reciprocal this. 700 into 100 by 4,000, reciprocal, and cancel 2 by 7. When division is converted into, we have to reciprocal. 2 0 2 0 1 0 1 0, 7 7 cancel. 2 2 times 4, 2 5. So we are getting 5 years. Question number 5. There are two questions, A and B. Question number A. At what rate percent per annum will a sum of money triple itself in 20 years? Suppose principal is X. Amount become 3X. Triple itself, it says, in 20 years. N is 20 years. So what sum means, you're going to find P. Okay. Then what will be the interest? A minus P. 3X minus X. Interest is 2X. Now use the formula. At what rate? Rate is question mark. Our formula is I into 100 by Pn. Put the value. I is 2x into 100 by P is x and N is 20. X cancel, 0 cancel, 2 cancel. That means rate will be 10%. Okay. Let's do question number B. In what time will a sum of money double itself? So let principal be x, then amount will be 2x, double itself at the rate of 5%. In what time? So n is question mark. First find interest, a minus p, 2x minus x is x. Now find n. N equal to I into 100 by PR. I is x into 100 by p is also x and r is given as 5. That means it will take 20 years to make the money double at the rate of 5%. Okay. Let's do question number 6. The simple interest on a sum of money at the end of 2 years is 1/4 of the sum itself. Find the rate of interest percent per annum. So the simple interest on a sum of money at the end of 2 years is quarter itself. Suppose principal is x, then the interest become quarter, means x by 4, 1/4. In how many years? 2 years. Find the rate of interest. R is question mark. So use R formula. I into 100 by Pn. I is x by 4 into 100 by P is how much? P is x and N is 2. X cancel. Now cancel this. 4 into 25. So we're getting 25 by 2. That is 12.5%. That is the answer. Let's do question number 7. What sum will amount to rupees 50,000 in 9 years at the same rate of simple interest, at which rupees 4,000 amount to 5,000? So first we take the second case. Amount is 5,000 and the principal is 4,500 and N is 3 years, and we'll find the rate. So first find the interest, A minus P, that is 5,000 minus 4,500, 500. Now find, these are all rupees, okay? Find rate. Rate formula is I into 100 by Pn. I is 500 into 100 by P is 4,500. N is 3 years. Cancel 2020, 5 9 time. We are getting 100 by 27%. Now second, so what sum will amount to rupees this much? This is second case. I have taken first and got the interest. Case 1, amount to rupees 50,000. P we don't know. In 9 years, N is 9 years. At the same rate, rate is 100 by 27. So use the formula. A equal to P 1 plus NR by 100. We're using this formula. A equal to P bracket 1 plus NR by 100. Now we'll put the value. Amount is 50,000 P we don't know. 1 plus N is 9 into R is 100 by 7, and this 100 is already there. 100 cancel. No space, I'll do on the top. So 50,000 equal to P. You're left with 1 plus 9 by 7. Take the LCM. 7 plus 9. 16 by 7. Cross multiply. P equal to 50,000 into 7 by 16. Cancel by 16 now. Wait, this is 27. I made mistake. This is not 27. We can cancel 3 times. This is 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. 3 plus 1. This is 4 by 3. LCM is 3. This is 1 by 3. Okay, so if you cross multiply, 3 goes up and 4 will come down. You can cancel by 4. 4 one time. 4 1. 4 1 times 4. 10. Oh, sorry. 4 2 is 8. 4 5 0 0. So when you multiply, you get 37500 is the answer. Okay. Let's do question number 8. The simple interest on rupees 5,000 for 5 years together with the debt on rupees 6,000 for 8 years comes to this much. So simple interest for 5 years, 5,000, N is 5 years, and rate we don't know, and the second case is principal is 6,000, N is 8 years, rate we don't know, the interest rate of interest is same. The simple interest of total is coming up to this much. So let us find the interest of this. PNR by 100, that is 5,000 into 5 into R by 100. If you cancel, we get 250 R, and here I equal to PNR by 100. 6,000 into 8 into R by 100. If you cancel 0, 480 R. As per question, the total interest of these two, 250 R plus 480 R, is coming up to 2190. So if you edit 0, 8, 9, 10, 13, 6, 7, 30 R equal to 2190. So find the rate of interest. 730, 0, 0. I think 73 into 3 is how much? 3 is 9, 219. So rate is 3%. Okay, pause the video to write the solution. Let's do question number 9. A man lend rupees 1,800 to 2 person at the rate of 4% and 5%. So first person, second person, principal. If first person he is giving rupees X, second person he is giving, total is 1,800. He is giving 1,800 minus X. Here R is 4%. Here to the second person is 4.5%. At the end of 6 years, N is 6 years. In both cases, N is 6 years. At the end of 6 years, he receive an interest of this much from them. So how much each is paying? So first find the interest. X into 4 into 6 by 100. I'll just keep in 100 only. We're getting 24x by 100. And this one, 1800 minus x, 4.5 into 6 by 100. Keep in 100 only. Will be 65 is 30. So 0, 64 is 24, 25, 26, 27. So multiply this 0, 0, 27 and 18. 48600 minus 27x by 100. Now as per question, if the total of this interest is coming up to 462, 100 is coming up to 462. So what's the LCM? 100 will be 24x plus 48600 minus 27 equal to 462. These two will be minus 3x plus 48600 equal to cross multiply 46200 minus 3x equal to 46200. Take it on the other side. Minus 3x equal to, subtract this, 400, 2400. So x will be 2400 by 3, that is 800. X is 800. So first person share will be x, that is rupees 800, and second person share will be, second person's share is 1800 minus x, that is 1800 minus 800, that will be 1000. So we got the first person's share and second person's shares also. So similarly you have to do this one. The question is similar. Okay, Mr. X deposit a total sum of 50,000 in the last question, 1,800 in two banks. Interest is 3%, 4% for the first one, and second one is 3%. 5 years is given. In the last question it was 6 years, and the interest is 8,500. In the last question it was 462. So you have to do the same method for as in question number 9. Okay, do as a homework. You can pause the video and write the questions. Let's do question number 11 now. Mr. Atuka borrowed a certain sum of money at 4% interest per annum and immediately lent the same to Mr. Wapang at 5% per annum, thereby gained 800 in 8 months. What was the sum borrowed by Mr. Atuka? So for Mr. Atuka, okay, principal we don't know, rate is 4%, n is 8 months. 8 months means 8 by 12 years. 4 2 4 3, so 2 by 3 years. So what is the interest? E will take just x here. N is 2 by 3 and R is 4. By 100 is already there. We can't cancel, so we can cancel. We will write 2x by 75 is the interest, again by which he have to pay to this much interest Atoka have to pay. Okay, now this will amount to rupees how much? If you take the LCM, 75x plus 2x, 77x by 75. Clear? Now this amount is given to other person, to Wapang. So for Wapang, the principal will be this one, and rate of interest is 5%, and time is 8 months. 8 months means, which we have calculated, this is 2 by 3 years. Now find the interest. In this situation, Mr. Atoka is earning an interest of 800, and the P is 77x by 75, N is 2 by 3, and R is 5, and downside 100. Whichever you can cancel, 5, 15, can't cancel anymore, so X will be 800 into 15 into 3 into 100 by 77 into 2 comes down. Now calculate this, you'll find out how much money Mr. Atoka have to pay. Okay. By 100. So you calculate this, you'll get the answer. Next, question number 12. A certain sum of money amount to rupees 5,750 in 5 years and this much in 7 years, both at simple interest. Find the sum at the rate and the rate of interest. Okay, so first case, we don't know what is the principal, but amount is in 5 years, and rate also we don't know. So first case, amount is formula 1 plus NR by 100. Amount is 5750 equal to P, we don't know. Rate we're going to find. Rate is same, 1 is 1, N is 5 by 100. Make this as equation 1, and the case 2 is P we don't know, A is 6050, N is 7 years, and R we don't know. So amount formula is P 1 plus NR by 100. This is 6050 equal to P is, we don't know, 1 plus N is 7R by 100. Mark this as equation 2. Okay, now divide equation 2 and 1, or 1 or 2. When you divide, we divide left. 5750 by 6050 equal to P 1 plus 5R by 100. Divide by right side. You can cancel this. You can cancel by 5, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 1, 5, 1 times 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 25. So we can't cancel anymore. 115 by 121 equal to, take the LCM here, 100 plus 5R. Downside also LCM is 100 plus 7R. So we can cancel this. 115 by 121, 5 1 times 5, 10, and here is 100 plus 5R by 100 plus 7R. Cross multiply and solve it. If you solve it, at the end you'll get R equal to, if you solve it, you'll get R equal to 3%. Okay, if you solve this, no time. And after that, you can find principal also. You can find principal putting in equation 1 or equation 2. Once you get R, you can put in equation 1. One plus 5R by 100. Put the value of R here and find P also. Okay, and P you'll get rupees 5,000. Do as a homework. Okay, pause the video to write all the solution. Thank you.